In this video, we'll show how to install the hybrid equation toolbox for MATLAB and Simulink. Here, we assume that the user has a C compiler previously installed and set up with MATLAB. For further details in this, please refer to the instructions file in section 4.2. First, download the toolbox from the MathWorks website, searching for hybrid systems or HiQ simulator. Then click on Hybrid Equation Toolbox version 2.0. Then download the file and unzip all its content in a folder but the MATLAB's root folder. Here is the install file, so please now open MATLAB and search for the folder where the install file is. So and type install. Um, to the question to add the folders to the MATLAB path, please answer yes. And wait for the installation to complete. Now restart MATLAB. In order to check if the installation was properly executed, open the product help viewer and check for any entry that say hybrid equation toolbox. Here you can check the help files for the simulator. Also, go to Simulink and check for the entry for the toolbox. Typing Simulink. The entry is here in hybrid equation toolbox. If you want, you can click on the example blocks and test if that works. You can check on example 1.4 bouncing ball with operator blocks. Open the example, then double click to initialize the variables. Then simulation start, and double click to plot solutions.